Hello kids! Today, Peppa is going to have a little accident with a dog. Keep on watching. Mommy, we are bored. Can we go to the playpen? Playpen. Sure kids. I'm gonna take something to eat from the kitchen. Yes, Mommy. Yum. Wait a sec. What can I take? I don't have the time to make them sandwiches. Well, I'm gonna take a box of cookies. I took some cookies. Do you like them? So good! Cookies! Are you ready? Come on. We arrived, kids. I will be right there, okay? Okay, Mommy. Playpen. Seesaw. Peppa. Let's play on the seesaw. So fun! Yoo-hoo! The seesaw is so fun, George. Peppa, George, time to have a snack. Oh, let's eat something, George. Yes. We're here, Mommy. Cookies. Yes, kids, but sit down, please. Yes. These cookies are so good. Eat slowly, kids. I just finished. And you, George? Ready. Can we keep playing? Okay. I'm gonna take a cookie to eat later. Come on, George. Look, a puppy. Puppy. It's so cute. Hi, puppy. What's its name? Its name is Bobby. Such a beautiful name. Hi, Bobby. Woo, woo. What are you smelling? Ah, my cookie. Do you want it? Woo, woo. For you. Ah, it bit me. My hand. Are you okay? Does it hurt? My hand. I'm bleeding. Peppa, Peppa. I'm sorry. I'm sure it wasn't intentionally. My hand. I'm gonna call your mother. Where is she? Just there. My hand. I'll be right back. Excuse me, are you the mother of a girl and a boy that are just there? Yes. What happened? My dog bit your daughter. You have to come with me. Peppa? Come on. Yes. Peppa! Peppa! Peppa, are you okay? The dog bit me, Mommy. My hand hurts. What happened? I was giving it a cookie and it bit me. Let me see. It's okay, Peppa. It's just a scratch. I'm sure it wasn't intentionally. I'm gonna clean the injury. Okay. Let me take a hanky. Okay. I'm gonna clean it. Okay, Peppa? Okay. Done. And now I'm gonna put you a band-aid. Does it hurt now? No. I'm sorry. It wasn't intentionally. The dog was taking the cookie. Don't worry. Woo, woo. It doesn't hurt anymore. Woo, woo. I'm glad you're not mad at him. But it doesn't hurt anymore. It wasn't intentionally. Can I play with him now? Sure. Come on, Bobby. Let's play. Follow me. Woo, woo. Good boy. Finally, everything turned out well. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you can watch more of them. Bye!